Did you know you can convert unused airtime to real cash? I tried it and this is exactly how much I received. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to turn your airtime into real cash that you can withdraw straight to your bank account. But make sure you watch till the end because there are some important things you need to know before you try this. Now, you know that you cannot withdraw airtime directly, and that is why you need to use platforms that allows you to sell your airtime and get paid in cash. And one of those platforms is AirtimeFlip or Airtime to Cash. Another of this platform is called Aim to Get. So in this video, I'm going to be using AirtimeFlip to show you guys how to turn your airtime into cash and withdraw straight to your bank. Now you can get the app on Play Store, download the app and register your account for free. So this is what the homepage looks like. You click on Convert Airtime. You click on Instant Airtime to Cash. So here you select the network, and I'm going to choose Airtel. And you're going to put in your mobile number and request for OTP. So after you've received the OTP, you verify it. So after that, you'll be able to see your airtime balance. So you type in the amount you want to convert. And before this, I want to let you know that the minimum withdrawal or the minimum amount you can withdraw to your bank is 1,000 naira. And when you type in the amount you want to convert, if let's say for example you want to convert 1,000 naira airtime, you're going to get 750, which is less than 1,000 naira. So you will not be able to withdraw this 750 unless you convert airtime that is more than 1,000. So I'm going to be converting 1,500, and this is the amount I'm going to receive. So you're going to put in your PIN and proceed. And as you can see, it says successful. So you click on close. Now you can go back to your balance or your home page. And as you can see, this is my available amount. So this is instantly. As I did it, I got it instantly, which is very nice. Very nice. Now I also have manual airtime to cash, but I don't think this is available here. But what I used was instant airtime to cash. So that is instant. Now let's withdraw our fund. You click on fund withdrawal. Now you take notes, 100 naira will be removed as withdrawal charges. So you type in the amount you want to withdraw. And you click on proceed. You put in your withdrawal PIN or transaction PIN. Okay, so if you encounter this issue, all you need to do is to upgrade your app to level 3 to perform this transaction. And always make sure you're using a trusted platform before sending your airtime. And before you try this app that I talk about in this video, I will encourage you to make your own careful research on it, okay? So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe because I'll be sharing more simple ways on how to make money online. And feel free to check out other videos on my channel for more ways on how to make money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.